Hiranandani Gardens, Powai, a haven of greenery. With the vision of the Hiranandani brothers, the transformation of Powai today is there for everyone to see. A township owing its name to the rich green space, covering more than 25% of the entire area. All of this has been possible because of the meticulous craftsmanship of the skilled team involved on a day-to-day basis. And to keep this greenery alive, the township has installed a centralized sewage treatment plant, which receives, treats and recycles more than 80% of the township's sewage wastewater. The city of Mumbai recycles only 4% of its sewage water, thus making optimal use of sewage water as a primary maintenance resource. This greenery has attracted a variety of fauna species to the township. Ensuring a lifestyle of comfort and good health.